നിജഭർതൃഗിരാ ഭവന്നിഷേവാ നിരതായാമഥ ദേവദേവഹൂത്യാം കപിലസ്ത്വമജായഥാ ജനാനാം പ്രഥയിഷ്യൻ പരമാത്മതത്വവിദ്യാം നിജഭർതൃഗിരാ ഭവന്നിഷേവാ നിരതായാമഥ ദേവദേവഹൂത്യാം കപിലസ്ത്വമജായഥാ ജനാനാം പ്രഥയിഷ്യൻ പരമാത്മതത്വവിദ്യാം വനമേയുഷി കർദമേ പ്രസന്നേ മതസർവസ്വമുപാദിശൻ ജനന്യൈ കപിലാത്മക വായുമന്ദിരേശ ത്വരിതം ത്വം പരിപാഹി മാം ഗദൗഘാത് വനമേയുഷി കർദമേ പ്രസന്നേ മതസർവസ്വമുപാദിശൻ ജനന്യൈ കപിലാത്മക വായുമന്ദിരേശ ത്വരിതം ത്വം പരിപാഹി മാം ഗദൗഘാത്. അമ്മ
ഹരേ കൃഷ്ണ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ. നമസ്തേ. ദശകം 14, ശ്ലോകാസ് 9 and 10. അഥ ഹേ ദേവ. Thereafter, O Lord Guruvayurappa, Devahutya Nija Bhartragira, Devahuti, following the words of her husband, Bhavannisheva Nirataya, became absorbed in worshipping you, O Lord Guruvayurappa. Tvam jananam paramatma tattva vidyam prathayishyan. O Lord, in order to impart the supreme knowledge to the people, Kapila Devahutyam Ajayatha incarnated as Kapila Murti through Devahuti. And the translation of the shloka is, though Kardama Prajapati wanted to retreat to the forest and resume his penance after having 9 beautiful daughters, he was reminded by his wife Devahuti about your birth to them, and Kardama decided to stay back. Thereafter, O Lord Guruvayurappa, Devahuti, following the words of her husband, became focused on worshipping you, O Lord Guruvayurappa. And you, O Lord, was born to them as Kapila Murti in order to impart the knowledge of the supreme truth to the people. Now, Shloka 10. He Kapilatmaka Vayumandiresha, O Lord Guruvayurappa, who manifested as Lord Kapila. Prasanne Kardame, Kardama, who was so pleased to have you as their son. Vaname Yushi, after leaving for the forest. Jananyai Matasarvaswam Upadishan Tvam. You, O Lord Guruvayurappa, who disclosed the ultimate knowledge of the Supreme Self to your mother, Devahuti. Gadaughat Tvaritam Mam Paripahi. Quickly save me from all the ailments. And the translation is, Kardama Prajapati was greatly pleased to have you as his son, as you manifested as Kapila Murti. Thereafter, Kardama left for the forest to continue his ascetic life with a lot of joy and gratitude. You, O Lord Guruvairappa, who incarnated as sage Kapila, then disclosed the ultimate knowledge of the Supreme to your mother Devahuti, O Lord Guruvairappa. May you quickly protect me from a host of ailments that I am suffering from. And that's the end of this Dashakam 14. Namaste.